Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix rate limited on Snapchat. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here on Snapchat, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. If you encounter an error that says a rate limited on Snapchat, it means you have exceeded the app's usage limits, all right? Like a certain feature, sending messages, adding friends, or posting stories, because Snapchat imposes these limits to prevent spam and abuse. All right. Now, you might want to wait for the rate limit to reset because it's temporary and typically reset after a certain period. Wait for the cooldown period to end, and the duration can vary but often lasts between a few hours to day. Now, I need you to switch over to your Snapchat app on your mobile device because it's a lot easier to fix the rate limited error. Now, once you are inside the Snapchat app on your mobile device, make sure you enable app permissions to make sign up easy and of course gain access because that could potentially hinder and fix the rate limited error. All right. Now here, all you're going to do is click on allow. Now after that, I need you to hover to your app management. If you're using an Android device, go to app list and search for Snapchat. Now, corrupted or overloaded cache data might affect app performance and especially with the rate limited. I need you to go to storage and cache and clear storage and clear cache. All right. For iOS, you can't clear cache directly. Instead, reinstall the app to refresh data or offload the app itself. Now, after that, again, you need to go to permissions and make sure you have enough permissions for the contacts, phone, camera, location, especially the notifications. Allow notifications because at your request, Android is blocking these apps notifications from appearing on this device. All right, so show badges, show banners as the banner at the top of the screen, show notification, play sound, and a lot more. All right, and of course, make sure you have installed the updated version of the Snapchat app because using an outdated version of the app might cause various issues, including rate limiting errors. All right, just go here to Google Play Store if you're using an Android or the App Store for iOS. And of course, if none of the above steps work, I need you to click on the settings and click on the Help Center. And of course, type in your questions to see if you get an answer. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.